Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Veronica, and in today's video we're going to Home Bargains to see what items they have in stock. And I'm just so excited to show you. Right now we're looking at their picnic collection, or also garden collection, and it reminds me something of like a Denby, and they were very reasonable price. So the small plates were £1.99, then they also had these beautiful throws which were only £5.99. And as you may know by now, I absolutely love the color blue way before it was popular and home trendy, so I'm glad to see that blue is finally popping out in stores. As you can see, they also had this like something, I don't know, it's like recycled, or I'm not sure how would you call it, but it's like £1.99 from 17 or £20 just for glasses, which is amazing still. Such a good price. They also have like these bowls for 10 which are 10 centimeters, and also like these blue glasses which were £2.99, and this is a better look at the glass, and it had like white stripes on them. They also have these beautiful plates with lemons for £1.29 and scalloped edge. They also had this plate which I believe they had last year as well. It's orange for £1.49, and right next to it they have a set of 4 plastic plates for 99p, and they have different colors. So I hope that you're doing well. If you're new here, hi, welcome, I'm glad to have you. If you like shop me videos, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more shopping videos. Autumn is in the stores, so I will go next week and try to film at the range, and also TK Maxx. And if you are a returning viewer, I'm so glad you're here. And if you're also not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Every subscribe brings me so much joy, and I truly appreciate your time and your support. But yeah, I'm just gonna play some music right now. I hope that you don't mind, and I'll catch you just in a bit.
As I'm staying close to the mirror, a lock of gold, a secret smile, little things I remember, place a hand upon my heart as her, she was a believer.
So I hope that you enjoyed the music. I really like these bowls for like ice cream or sundae, or even like a fruit cocktail, which are only 49p. They also have this bowl which is like 3 bowls all together for £1.99, which would be perfect for like fondue or like olives and nuts. And then they have this chip and dip plastic plate for £3.99, and also these shell style shaped plates, again chip and dip, or you can even do popcorn or anything else for £4.99. And I like this vase for £9.99. It was something different, something looks like, I think you could easily find something similar at the Next or even other home design brands for much higher price, maybe with 10, so it'll be £49 instead, or it'll be more expensive than it is now. And also citronella candles for £1.49, and then they had these massive citronella candles which are £9.99. I don't know if they work. Let me know, do you think that they work, or is it just a gimmick? They also have these massive cushions which are £9.99. I believe they're like 60 by 60. Also lots of luggage in the store, and barbecue if you are looking forward to doing some barbecue at home. I really like this handbag. I like straw bags for the summer, and this one was very inexpensive, and I like that you can like hide what's actually inside. And also they had some shoes for the water, or if you go to swimming pool you can easily grab one of these bags as well, or even for shopping. This sunset bag was my favorite, and let's find out how much it is. It was £8. I mean, that's so affordable, and I know it's Home Bargains, but even with home bargains. I mean, everything is just I love everything. They also have this Toy Story collection for little kiddos. So this is the Toy Story 5 film that I believe has come out already. So if you've seen it, let me know down in the comments below. What do you think? Did you like it or did you not like it? They also have these beautiful little bees and ladybugs for your garden, and this puppy that you can put on the fence, especially if you have a dog who likes to go over the fence to have a little look. These stepping stones were super cute, and more things for camping. As you can see, Home Bargains truly have everything for us. So whatever you need, Home Bargains have you covered. Also, this washing up bowl would be handy not only for camping, but you can easily use it at home if you need something like laundry to just soak, or if you need to carry water around or wash windows. And also, I was joking that the trolley I would need when I go shopping or when I go to a warehouse sale. So I really like these windows as well. I believe that they're like the small ones are $9.99 and the bigger ones are £19.99, and it's me in the mirror. Hello. And then they also had these cute scarecrows. I mean, they would definitely not scare me, but if they work on birds in your garden, do let us know down in the comments below, because any tip or trick is highly appreciated. They also have these beautiful butterflies, and these are reduced to clear, which I'm surprised because last year they were sold out within a couple days. So I hope that they're not struggling to sell them. They also have these Highland cows which light up in the dark, and they're again reduced to clear for £2.99. And also this bird house, it was a hot air balloon for £2.99. And these, I forgot how they're called, but they're super adorable, again reduced to clear. Same with the pandas. So I think that they're trying to get rid of the spring summer stock, so they have space for autumn and potentially Christmas. Yes, I did say the C word. They also have these pajamas for adults and also our mini-me's, and I think it's for the Home Bargains 50th year anniversary. So the one for the kiddo was only £5. Also, Mrs. Hinch had a massive restock. I believe that it was in many stores, not just at mine, and the cushions are £12.99. I really like the scalloped edge. This one has got more details for £14.99. And if you have a puppy, I think that this basket would be perfect for all of their toys. They also have these fake flower bouquets, which are £6.99 and are very color neutral, so very on theme for Mrs. Hinch. Let me know if you bought anything from the Mrs. Hinch collection, or if you are not a big fan of Mrs. Hinch, which, I mean, I don't follow her on Instagram. I know who she is, a little bit of a backstory, but I'll put some candles and a toilet brush. Let me know, did you get anything from this collection down in the comments below.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deep.
And I did try to show you almost everything, mainly about the home decor and home items in today's video. So they have this bath rug, which was like pretty neutral. Also hand towels for £3.99. I believe that these are they are the Mrs. Hinch home collection. I really like the logo and the labels. They feel very like luxury, and even the towels were super soft. But anyone else feels like when you buy new towels, they're like super soft in the store, and then once you wash them, they're not so soft. I don't use any fabric conditioner because I did notice that it makes the towels go hard and not so, they just don't absorb the water as much. And this is the toilet brush that I purchased. It was £4.99, and I like that it's actually a silicone brush and it's got cover on the top of the brush, so you know, the jams don't go out in the air ended up on your toothbrush. Yes, I'm one of those people, especially in the bathroom. And we're looking at my favorite blankets once again. They were £5.99 and they have other ones for £4.99, and also these fleece blankets for only £2.99. So I think this will be perfect for autumn and winter, you know, when it's again cold and windy. And I know we are in a heat wave, we're all sick talking about it, but winter is coming and I just like to be prepared. So you can use these for like around windows, around doors, to protect your home and so the heat doesn't escape. And they also back to reality, back to where we are now. They have so many more solar lights collection, and also these beautiful fake flowers, which I was very surprised because they look so realistic. And this cherry tree was £19.99, and more of these fake flowers in a basket and those grass animals. And as we are nearly at the end of today's video, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'm truly looking forward to seeing you in my next one. So until then, friends, have a good day. Bye.
Kiss a little harder. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper. Kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our mind.